Hey friends, who's hungry? Discover the perfect balance of smoky heat and creamy goodness with these pellet smoked jalapeno poppers stuffed with pimento cheese. First, let's make the pimento cheese. In a large mixing bowl, combine 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a pound of grated smoked cheddar cheese, half a pound of cooked and crumbled bacon, and 2 cups of mayonnaise. For a little extra heat, we're adding 2 chopped chipotle peppers in adobo, 1 sliced green onion, and 1 teaspoon of diced pimentos. Mix by hand or on medium speed with an electric mixer until the ingredients are evenly combined. Set the pimento cheese aside. Next, slice 6 jalapeno peppers in half lengthwise. You will want to wear gloves for this step to prevent the oils from the peppers from absorbing into your skin. Remove and discard the seeds and the white inner membrane from the peppers. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of the pimento cheese into the jalapeno pepper half. Then wrap each jalapeno with half a strip of bacon. Secure the bacon with a toothpick. Preheat your pellet grill to 225 degrees Fahrenheit and turn on super smoke. Place the jalapenos directly on the grill grate and smoke for 1 hour until the bacon is cooked and the cheese is bubbling. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.